Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect GoCanvas to PulseM. All right. So to integrate these two, you can use Zapier or any other automation workflow platforms. It could be NA10, Make.com, or even VoiceSocket. All right. Now, Zapier right here allows you to connect GoCanvas with over 2,000 other apps, okay, including PulseM, which you don't need to write any code, okay? You can just easily set up triggers in GoCanvas, like a new submission, and then actions in PulseM, like sending a PulseM bio, all right? So to do that, go ahead over to Zapier.com. If you don't have an account yet, just go ahead and make one. It's pretty easy, and it's totally free, okay? Now, once you're in here in your dashboard, go ahead over to the top left and click on Create. Click on Zaps, and then go ahead over to Trigger right here. Just for this example, our trigger is GoCanvas. All right. And the action is a new submission. Okay. Select GoCanvas, trigger event right here, new submission. It says here triggers when a new submission is uploaded to GoCanvas for the specified app. Just click on it and log in with your GoCanvas account. And once that's done, hit on continue. Now select your project name or form name. Okay. It could be a job ticket. Just hit on continue and test it out. All right. Testing right here is just testing the connection of Zapier and GoCanvas. All right. Now, once that's done, tap away. You have the check mark. It's now ready to have a connection. So let's go ahead and click on action. All right. The action is PulseM. Type in PulseM. Like so. Select it. Choose an action event. Right here, as you can see, you can go ahead and use send bio, as I've said earlier. Okay. You can also use send contact card or send pulse chat. All right. Just select one, and once done, connect your PulseM account and then go ahead and test the connection. All right. And after that, once everything is set up, once you have the check mark here, meaning you're already connected with your PulseM account, then you can go ahead and test run. And if you're happy with it, just hit on publish and it will go online. All right. Basically, when you hit on publish right here, it will activate the workflow, allowing the defined action to run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. Each time the trigger event happens, Zapier will execute the associated actions in the connected apps. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.